Alright, welcome to Corner Single House and Lot dito po sa Kupang, Antipolo City. Ngayon po, sisilipin natin o iikutin natin ito, yung exterior and exterior ng house and lot ang mabilisan. Let's go! Ito yung corner niya. Tapos may 4 panel tayo dito, heading to your 2-car carport. Tapos dito naman guys, ito yung pedestrian gate. May few steps ka dito. Ito yung open space niya. Ito yung 2-car carport. Yung large main door. Welcome po dito sa ground floor ng house and lot. Ito yung living area, dining, and utility area. At dito sa side na to, ito yung kitchen, yung staircase going up. Mamaya natin tingnan yan. Dito muna tayo sa bedroom. Welcome to second floor ng house and lot. Dito meron tayong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bathroom, tapos may